Recently, I got a comment on one of my video about systeme.io in which the person is asking that when you add an order bump to checkout page, how it is delivered. Does it automatically take the buyer to the download page for that product? So basically the person want to ask is, so when you are adding a order bump on your checkout page, how the product will be delivered to the customer. Okay, so if someone chosen to buy your order bump, then how you will deliver the product which you are selling on your order bump, right? So let's just figure it out in this video. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to watch the part 1 of this video in which I have shown you that how you can add order bump to your checkout page, how you can link the product, and how you can set the pricing. So all these things will be covered inside this video that you can watch on the screen right now. So just go watch this video. I have given the link in the I button as well, and also in the description. Just check it, just go and watch it so that you have the clarity about it. And then once you have that clarity, now let's just see how you will deliver the product. So basically the easiest way to do it is because you are selling a product, so you will definitely have a membership site. Okay, you will have a you will build a membership site here in the courses. As you can see inside system.io, when you go to products and courses, here you will be able to create all your membership sites. Okay, or I would say a course. Okay, so what you have to do, the easiest way to achieve this thing is, whenever you are selling your main product. Okay, inside that, suppose this is the product starter level membership that I am selling. Okay, as a main product, and now I have an order bump also that I am selling along with this offer. So what I will do, I will simply just uh, inside this particular membership site, what I will do, I will create a separate module. Okay, how what we will do, we will create a um go inside this membership site and we will add a module here. Okay, let's just give it a name. So in my case, I'm giving the name of story prompt. Okay, and these are not story prompt, it's actually 100 days story prompt. Okay, so these are the 100 days story prompt that I am selling as a order bump. Okay, now I will save it. This is the module that I have created. Okay, and what I will do inside this particular module, I will add a lecture, and let's just call it the same. Okay, 100, okay, 100 days story. Okay, story prompts. Okay, delay will be 0, and let's just pick any of the template, doesn't matter, and just save it. Okay, so you have added it. Now what you will do, you will simply just go to this particular lecture, you will delete everything from here. Okay, just delete everything. Let's just delete it, and what you will do, simply you will here you will add a text, and here you will just give the link of the product. Okay, if it's a video, you will add the video here. If it's a PDF or any kind of Google Doc, any kind of Google Sheet, you will just grab the link of that Google Sheet or Google Doc, or uh, if it's a PDF, you will upload it in your Google Drive, and then you will grab the link of that particular PDF. And what you will do here, you will just say, here is your 100 days story prompts. Okay, uh prompts. Okay, and then link it here. Okay, just click the link and give the link of that particular PDF or Google Doc here, and save it. Okay, now what will happen? In my case, I don't have any link right now, but you got the point, right? Here you will just give the point. You can make it fancy, there is no issue. I'm just giving you an idea that you can come here and just the product that you are selling in your story prompt, in your order bump, you will place that product here in this particular lecture, and you will save it. Okay, you will save it. The product is here inside this lecture, and then we are done with half of the thing. Half of the work is done. So basically, now it's here. Okay, your order bump is sitting here, and now you have to just deliver it. Now how you will deliver it? It's pretty simple. Just simply go to the funnel. Okay, the funnel that um, you are using to sell those that product. And here, suppose in my case, as you can see here, let me show you exactly how this page look like and what I'm selling here. So basically, it's here I am selling my starter level membership, and at the same time here I have given this 100 days Instagram story prompts. Okay, this is something, this is just a dummy page and dummy product to show you. So basically, we will when you someone click this particular checkbox, the product will be added. Okay, and now the person will go make the purchase, and then what will happen? You want to deliver it. So how you will deliver it? Simply you will come here, and you will scroll down, and here you can see that we have order bump. So now let me just show you exactly how you will how you will add this thing, how you will deliver it. So you will come here, you will add order bump, then you will select digital product, and then you will add a resource. Inside resource, you will select courses. Inside courses, you will select the course, the your main product, basically the main product. This is the main product, and inside this main product, we have one lecture in which we have our order bump, right? So we will you select partial access, and inside partial access we will select 100 days story prompt, and then we will save it. Now what will happen again? This happened, and now you will like add the pricing here also. So just you will go, you will select one time, and then you will select a story prompt. This is the price and saving. Okay, save it. Okay, so now we have added this order bump. The product is linked, and you can see here 100 day story prompt is linked. Let me just make one thing very clear, which is very important right now. And here inside, this is the main product, right? This is the main offer. So this is digital product, here course, and you can see I have given the partial access. So basically, let me just show you here one very important thing. Let me just delete it, and let me add this main product again. So when we will add the main, when we are selecting our main product, this starter level membership, here we will choose the partial access, and we will select all the things that we want, all the modules that we want the access, that we want to give the access, and we will keep this thing unselected. Why? Because we don't want that this thing is given access to everyone. Okay, we don't want to give access to this thing everyone. We only want to give the access of this thing to those who are ticking on the order bump, right? So here you have to select all the modules, but you will leave it, and you will save it. Now what will happen? uh, for the main product, and this one will be unlocked for the order bump. If someone don't select the order bump, this will remain locked, but all these will be unlocked. And if someone selected both, means the main product and order bump, then everything will be unlocked. Okay, so now all you have to do is just you will go to automation workflow, and you will set up a workflow in which you will give access to the main product, right? You will give access to the course that you are selling, the product, the main product that you are selling. Okay, that's it. You will just give access to that particular thing, and this thing will be unlocked automatically if the person choose the order bump, and this thing will remain logged if the person not chosen the order bump, not selected the order bump. Okay, Uh, so this is how you will be able to deliver your main product and order bump separately inside the same membership site. Okay, so I hope that now you got the clarity. So basically, let me just summarize it in a very simple word. Basically, what you will do, you will inside your where you have created your main product, you will create one additional module, and in that additional module you will add a lecture, and in that lecture you will place your order bump product. Now, what you will do after adding that, you will come here, and you will in your main product, you will select everything except that particular module. Okay, you will select partial access, and then you will select all the boxes, and just unselect that particular box where you are actually placed your order bump product, and you will select that particular thing here when you are adding order bump. So you will separately uh, giving access to both the things, right? And when you are done with this particular thing, everything will be set, and you can easily deliver your order bump to the person on automation without worrying about anything. Okay, so I hope that you got the clarity that how you can deliver it very easily, and you can try this thing even in your free plan as well. Okay, if you are on a free plan, this is going to work in that also, because you are using the same membership site to give access to the order bump. Okay, so you don't need to create another membership site, as free account only allow you to create one membership site. So you will just create one membership site, and inside that membership site you are utilizing the space to deliver order bumps also, right? So this is what I want to share with you, and I hope that you got the clarity, and now you know exactly how you are going to deliver the main product and the product that you are selling with order bump. Let me know if you have any confusion about it, about this topic. I have tried my best to explain you everything, but maybe you will not be able to understand it completely. So let me know in the comment section so that I can clarify it to you. And that's all for this particular video. I have tons of videos in my channel about system.io, about funnel marketing and digital coaching business. So just go watch them, and you may be watching the card on the screen. This is the first part of this video where I have explained everything about order bump. So just go watch that video right now.